In this video, we're gonna talk about discriminant and roots of quadratic equations. So what is the discriminant of x squared plus 5x minus 6 equals 0? So the first step is to identify the values of a, b, and c. So in this equation, a is equal to 1, b is equal to 5, and c is equal to negative 6. Next is we will substitute the obtained values into the formula for the discriminant, which is d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Next, d is equal to, substitute b with 5, this becomes 5 squared minus 4 times a is equal to 1 and c is equal to negative 6. Therefore, d 5 squared or 5 times 5, that is 25. Copy minus, then 4 times 1, 4 times negative 6, that is negative 24. So d is equal to 25. Negative times negative 24, that is, it becomes positive 24. So d is equal to 49. That's it. Next, what is the nature of the roots of x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0? So the first step is we will identify first the values of a, b, and c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 7, and c is equal to positive 10. Next is we will substitute the obtained values of a, b, and c into the formula, which is d is equal to b squared minus 4ac. So b squared, b, so this will become negative 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 10. So d is equal to the square of negative 7, that is 49, minus 4 times 1, 4 times 10, that is 40. Therefore, d is equal to 9. So I have here the nature of roots. If d is greater than 0, it means the equation have two distinct real roots. So these are the list of positive numbers in a number line. Next is if d is equal to 0, the equation has one real root. And if d is less than 0, the equation has no real root. So in this case, d is equal to 9. Therefore, this equation have two distinct real roots. Next example, describe the nature of roots of 2x squared plus 5x equals negative 7x minus 20. So the first thing that you will do at this case is you need to transform first this one into standard form. So it becomes 2x squared plus 5x, transfer negative 7x to the left side. So it becomes positive 7x. And then from negative 20, it becomes positive 20 equals 0. Take note that in order to get the standard form of a quadratic equation, it has to be 0 in this left side. Next is, since we have like terms, we will add this up. So it becomes 2x squared. 5 plus 7, that will be 12x plus 20 equals 0. Next is, let us identify the values of a, b, and c. So a here is 2, b is 12, and then c is 20. Next is, we will plug in these obtained values into the formula. D is equals b squared minus 4ac. D equals 12 squared minus 4 times 2 times 20. So D is equal to 12 squared, that is 144, and then 4 times 2 times 20, that is 160. So D is equal to negative 16. And since our discriminant is a negative number, therefore this equation, 2x squared plus 5x equals 7x, negative 7x minus 20, has no real root. Next example, describe the nature of roots of x squared plus 6x plus 9 equals 0. Okay, since the equation is in standard form already, therefore we can already identify the values of a, b, and c. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 6, and c is equal to 9. Next is, we will substitute the obtained values into the formula, which is b squared minus 4ac. D is equal to b, the value of our b is 6. So this becomes 6 squared minus 4 times a is 1, c is 9. D is equal to 6 squared, or 6 times 6, that is 36. Minus 4 times 1, 4 times 9, 36. Therefore, D is equal to 0. Since D is equal to 0, this equation has one real root.